Hello everyone. So I won another giveaway. This time it's from happymail stamper. That's her YouTube channel. I received this packet last Saturday, but I just got to filming today. So this is the packet. I already opened it, and let's see what's inside. Here's her letter. It says, "Hey G, thank you for supporting my channel. I hope you enjoy this giveaway package. Joanne, Happy Mail Stamper." This is her YouTube channel, guys. Check her out, Happy Mail Stamper. And this is what she sent me. It's an envelope full of trims. Thank you, Joanne. You know, I have been wishing trims for quite some time now at those two wishing channels in YouTube, but I haven't, my wish haven't been granted yet for trim. So this, I'm very happy for receiving this trims. I can use this in my cards, in my albums, in my journals. Thank you so much. So let's see what she have sent. Oh, this gold blings. Oh, this is so cute. Very pretty. Thank you. And this one. Okay. Another gold one. This one is, I think this is what they called eyelash trims. I don't have any of this. In fact, I don't have many trims. Oh, this one. Okay, these are very pretty. Oh, pom-poms. I don't have any pom-poms either. Oh, this is so nice. Sequence. This is so pretty. Thank you, Joanne. This one too. Oh, this one. Is this the one they call sim binding? I'm not sure, but it's very nice. I love the color. Oh, this one got birds in it. Green, perfect for Christmas. Another green with polka dots. This is gray, and this is and this one. So thank you so much, Joanne. I love what you sent me. Now I have trims to use. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.